Hello, I just wanted to take a minute to do a 2025 year in review and thank you for watching my videos and being a part of this YouTube community. I really get a lot out of your feedback, out of your comments, and really just enjoy working on my family's vehicles and interacting with you. Right now, the four vehicles that we work on regularly are a 2015 Mazda CX-5, one of my daughter's cars. Another one of my daughters has a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. My wife has a 2019 Honda Pilot, and I have a 2021 Honda Ridgeline. And so we do a lot of maintenance on all those, and then sometimes we'll make general videos that apply to all vehicles. Some of the big changes this year, all of our videos that we recorded this year were in 4K, and that really has made a difference in the video quality. Also, just want to thank my wife. She is the one that operates the video camera. She does a great job, and I really feel like her work really makes the channel what it is, so that you can actually see what we're doing. That's the whole idea of putting videos on YouTube, is so that you can duplicate the work that I'm doing. And so our style of videos is really for people that want to work on their own car, but they may have some things holding them back. And so the way we approach our videos is that if someone does not know how to do a job, after they watch our video, they should be able to do it. And also, I put a lot of time and effort into the video description. So if you don't check those out, I would encourage you to do that. You'll literally find so much organization there where everything you need is in there. So it's been a great year. We have right now 5,787 subscribers, and that's 2,200 that new subscribers this year, 2,200, whereas in 2024 we had 1,341 new subscribers. This year we had 900,000 views. The prior year we had 561,000 views. Hours of watch time, we've had 47,600 hours of watch time. And just to put that in perspective, there's 8,760 hours in an entire year. So that means that at any given time, there's 5.4 people watching one of the videos on our small channel, which is amazing. Also, you might have noticed recently, we usually do our weekly, I try to have a video every week. It doesn't always work out that way, but it usually does. For the past 3 years in a row, I think we've been able to do it almost every single week. And so we put out more than 50 videos again this year. And I was putting them out Friday at 9 a.m., but recently in a YouTube metric, it showed that most of you are on YouTube Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, so not on Friday as much. So I've recently moved that to 9 a.m. on Saturdays, 9 a.m. Central Time on Saturdays is when I try to have the new videos post. And then a lot of times there's videos I'll make that I know don't get a lot of interest, and so if I have enough automotive videos, I'll leave those on the Saturday morning. And if I have like a home DIY thing that I do with a lawnmower, pressure washer, something like that, I'll try to put that on like a Tuesday or something like that, so it's just an extra video, not taking the place of anything else. A couple of playlists that we made this year that are kind of unique that I'll just add to slowly over time as appropriate. One of them is called Auto Maintenance Topics, and I made 3 videos this year, one on motor oil, one on oil filters, and one on transmission fluid changes. And so if you haven't checked those out, I would encourage you to search those on the channel. You can always either go to the channel and search, or just type in the YouTube search Paul Naylor, and then whatever you're searching, auto maintenance topic or something like that. But there's 3 in that playlist. And also I started a new one called Tool Spotlight, and this is for specific tools I find helpful and somewhat unique. And so I've made a few of those videos lately. Also, those of you that follow the channel know that I made several videos this year where I was wearing an eye patch, and it was a trying year health-wise. From March through July, I had 3 surgeries on my eyes with complications, and was in a lot of pain on March and April and May, and went through a lot in through June, and then really 3 months of a lot of pain, and then another 2 months of wearing an eye patch after that. And so it was a lot. So I thank you for sticking with me. We still had to do maintenance, so I did it with an eye patch, and did the best I could. And so thank you for enduring that with me. My eyes are doing better now. Thankful to the Lord for that. And so just want to thank you for watching, and for your comments, and for a look ahead, some exciting things coming in January or very soon are on the Pilot. We did the brake pads and rotors on all the way around on that vehicle. We changed the spark plugs in the Pilot, which if you've that's a V6 where the back 3 plugs are difficult to get to. So we have that video coming for you soon. And also on our Elantra, we changed the motor mount on that. So those videos are coming soon, and we look forward to a great 2026 with you. Thank you for watching.